Ever stared at your GrabPay balance, thinking, sweet, I've got some extra cash here. How do I get my hands on it? If you're nodding along, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of cashing out your GrabPay wallet. Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be as simple as clicking a button, right? Well, it's not quite that straightforward. Grab has its own set of rules, and understanding them is key to a smooth cash-out process. First things first, let's talk about the different types of GrabPay balances. You've got your main wallet, which is where most of your earnings or top-ups land. Then there's the rewards balance, that's where your Grab Rewards points get converted into credits. And let's not forget the promo credits, those sweet deals you've scored. So, can you cash out all of these? The short answer is no. But don't worry, I'll break down exactly what you can and can't cash out. We'll also cover the different methods available to you, from bank transfers to over-the-counter withdrawals. There are also some limits and fees to consider. You don't want to get hit with unexpected charges, right? We'll go through those step by step as well. But wait, there's more. We'll also discuss some tips and tricks to maximize your cash outs. Maybe you can earn extra while you're at it? Who doesn't love a little extra cash, am I right? So, whether you're a seasoned Grab user or just starting out, this video will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cash out your GrabPay wallet like a pro. Let's get started. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground, but remember, the key to a successful GrabPay cash out is understanding your balance types, the available methods, and any potential fees or limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.